children, today we are going to see class 12 chapter 5 file handling type C question sets. In this they ask you to write the program to copy from one file to another file. Okay, you are going to read from the one file and you are going to copy that in the another file. The check is you have to get the file name from the user. Whatever user is telling the which file he is going to tell, the same file you have to open it and you have to copy it into it. Okay, let us begin the program now. So what will be our input and output? Input is going to be, program has to read one file. Okay, then the same thing it is going to copy in the destination file. Source file will be there and destination file will be there. It is going to copy from source to destination. Okay, let us begin the program. Here they ask you to do it in a function. Let us start with the function. And one more thing, what is going to be our input is source file and destination file we should get from the user. So let us write that first. S file. For source file I am giving it as S file. Okay, S file, input of, these are the two inputs we are going to get from the user. Source file with file extension, they have to user has to give with the file extension, so that we will mention it in the input itself, with file extension. Next, one more file, that is destination file. Here also the same thing. Okay, destination file. These are the two inputs we are going to give. And now begin the function. So def copy. Copy is the function name. Copy, what we are going to do, S comma D, source to destination we are going to copy. These two arguments I am going to pass into the function. Okay, next one is, so two files we are going to work on two files, right? So we have to open the two files. Okay, F1 is equal to open S comma, in which mode we have to open that, read mode. Here we didn't close the single quote. Okay, so next one is file 2 we are going to work on it. I am opening that also. So D comma, that is D comma, which mode we have to open that, in write mode. So now both the files are open. Next what we have to do, we have to read from the source file. So for that, data is equal to, just I am using data, you can use any word. Data is equal to F1 dot read. So now I have read that file. Then what I should do, I should write it in the F2. Okay, F2 dot write of data. Whatever I am reading from the one file, that I am going to write it in the another file. Okay, now I read from one file and I wrote in the another file. Now our work is over. So just close that file. F1 dot close and F2 dot close. Now let us execute. So it's asking for source file. So I am giving source file poem.txt. Okay, this file I am using for many programs. Let us give the poem.txt, otherwise lines.txt. Lines.txt. So destination file, we can give any file we can give. Just I am giving new file dot text. Okay. Okay, let us open the file and view that one. Open. So text file, we are going to work on the text file. So text files I am giving here, which file? Lines. Lines.txt. So here you can see lines.txt is there. That I am opening. You can see here a boy is playing there.